Good morning, students. I am Mohammad Shafiullah, your mathematics teacher. I hope you are all doing good. And I have said in the previous class, you are going to keep a separate notes, right? What? You are going to keep a separate notes so that you can copy all these things what I am giving you on the board. If you are going to keep it in the separate notes, you feel very easy to study it for the test or to write it what? For the homework. Okay? And I am sure that you are all learning every day what and all we are giving. And from today, like we'll have a quick glance because there was 2 to 3 days gap. Okay, we'll have a quick glance or we'll have a quick revision. So what we have studied? We have studied about numbers. What we have studied? We have studied about numbers. What are numbers? These are the symbols that we can count, right? These are the symbols that we can count. For example, we have finger. We'll just count this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have how many finger? 5 finger. Okay? Yes. So this is how you are going to write the numbers from 1 to 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. It keeps on going. Okay? Yes. Nowadays you will be having a lot of time at home. You will be every time watching the TV like that, right? So instead of that, you can reduce watching the TV and you can sit and you can take the rough notes and you can start writing the numbers. Right? Yes. And we have studied about writing the numbers name. Okay, what we have studied? We have studied about writing out the number name. Even I will have a quick glance about that. How we can gonna write. So, I will just tell you what we have. I will just tell you. So, 1 can be written as O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10. So, you have read till 10, I guess. So, even you will be having the word time at your home and you can start writing till 20. Writing the number names till 20 or till 30 or till 40. How much you can write, and in these holidays you are going to become perfect. Okay, you are going to become perfect. And we have studied about what? Some of the pictures they used to give. For example, like this. Can you see the pictures? So 1, 2, 3. These are the pictures they have given. So these pictures you are going to count. You are going to count these pictures like so 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures. And you are going to write it in the number name like this. Okay? You are going to write the number name. This is how you are going to count this picture and you are going to write the number. Then later you are going to write the number name of that. We have studied this also. Then in one more class we have studied about what? We have studied about writing the number in the more or in the greater or in the lesser form. In the sense they will give again some of the pictures. So by counting that you are going to write how many pictures is there in the set A and how many pictures are there in the set B. And you are going to compare between this set A and the set B. And you are going to write which is more. Okay? Yes. Now, okay students, please make it so carefully. Now today's class we are going to study about the 4th heading of what? Exercise 3. You are going to study the exercise 3, 4th main. Okay, this is the thing, just we are rewinding what we have studied in the previous class. We are going to rewind. In the sense, we are going to do the revision. So today it is like exercise 3. Okay, fourth mean, look at the given set, fill in the blanks. Look at the given set and fill in the blanks. First you have set A, then you have set B. This is nothing but kites. I have written, I have drawn it in my form. It is not so good. Please adjust. You have in your book the page number 19. Page number 19, exercise 3. You have here. You can see it very confirmly. So I have drawn it here. Look at the given set. Fill in the boxes, or you need to fill in these blanks. First we will see the set A. We will just count how many kites do we have. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have how many kites? We have 6 kites. Next, now look at the set B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B, how many do we have? 4. Now, again they have given a kind of a sentence. You see the sentence. Set A has dash more kites than set B. See, here we have 4 in the set B. In the set A, you have how many? 6. How many more does set A has? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to make 6, how many we are going to add? We are going to add 2. See, 1, 2. 2 kites are more when compared to set B. See students, see you have how many here? This is still 4, it is same. How many more you got? 1, 2. By counting or by looking at the pictures you will get to know. Okay, yes. See you have 4 same. But set A has 2 more kites. How many? 2 more kites. So here they are given dash is more than dash. So set A, this set A is more than set B. Set A is more than set B. Why? Because set A has 6 and set B has 4. This is more. Okay, and this is what? Less. Yes, this is about your first question. Now, coming out for the second question, these are apples. Okay, I have drawn in my way. You can see the clear picture or the clear view in your textbook. Again, the same pattern you are going to do. You are going to count these apples in set A first. Again, we have set A as well as set B. You are going to count it in set A first. See, please check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much do we have? How many? 5 apples we have. Now, set B. Now, just count the set B. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 here. So, see, this is 5 and this is 7. Which is more? By looking at this, which is more? 7 is more. This is more. That is set B is more when compared to set A. Set A is what? Less. Now you can see that set A has, set A how many? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. And set B has 7. Okay, 7. See here, 7. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. Yes, how many? 2. 7 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. Okay, 5 or 5 in the fingers, 7 in the mind you can take and you can do the subtraction. So, set A has 2 less apple than set B. So, set A write which is more and which is less. Done? Yes, it is very simple. If you go through your book, you will get to know very easily. Okay. Next, coming up for the next heading, you guys need to put these signs. These smaller, greater or equal sign. You are going to write all these signs by looking at this number. You are going to compare these two numbers and you are going to write this sign. Okay? Yes. First see 3 and 5. Which is greater? 5 is greater. And I will show you the trick how to write the sign. For example, you have 1 and 9. You have 1 and 9. Can you see the open face? This is open, right? This is open, right? Can you see this open face? This is open. This open face should towards the greater number. It should be towards the greater number. So, for example, see like this. It should be towards the greater number. This open face. Can you see the open face? This is the open. Here, this is the open face. Okay, like this. Can you see the second question now? 2 and 1. Which is greater? 2 is greater when compared to 1. Okay, so as I have said you, the open face should be towards the what? The greater number. See, the open face is here. This open face. Here also it is the open face. I have written dot here in order to make it confirm, so that you can understand. Yes. Now 7 also here and here also it is 7. Both the things are equal. It is not greater or lesser. It is equal. Equal symbol is this. Please make it sure. Then now 6 and 3. Which is greater? 6 is greater. Which is greater? 6 is greater. You are going to write this kind of a symbol here. 6 is greater and this is nothing but open face. This is how you are going to write all these signs. You are going to write all these signs with respect to the numbers. Okay students, we'll have a glance what we have done. First we have done by looking at this picture. We are going to write which is more and which is less. For that, you are going to count the kites or you are going to count the apples, and you have to see in which set it is more, in which set it is less. 6 is more than 4, 7 is more than 5. Now in the next heading, we have studied how to put this greater, lesser or equal symbol. Okay, we are going to put these symbols with respect to the numbers. I hope you have understood today's session. We will be meeting you in the next video or in the next class. Till then, study well, take care, bye bye.